Empowering healthy habits. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a highly debated topic. Jogging versus running. Which one is better for you? We'll be breaking down the benefits, drawbacks, and the ultimate comparison between these two popular forms of exercise. So, if you're looking to step up your fitness game, you won't want to miss this video. Let's get started. The difference between jogging and running. Before we begin, it's important to understand the difference between jogging and running. In simple terms, jogging is a form of light, steady-paced exercise, usually performed at a speed of around 4 to 6 miles per hour. Running, on the other hand, is a faster-paced exercise, typically performed at a speed of 6 miles per hour or more. Jogging, benefits and drawbacks. Now, let's discuss the benefits and drawbacks of jogging. First and foremost, jogging is an excellent form of cardiovascular exercise. It's accessible to almost everyone, making it a great way to get started on a fitness journey. Some benefits of jogging include 1. Improved heart and lung health. 2. Weight loss and management. 3. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. 4. Enhanced mood and mental well-being. 5. Increased bone density. However, jogging also has its drawbacks. Because it's a lower intensity exercise, it may take longer to achieve the same calorie burn as running. Additionally, jogging can be hard on the joints over time, particularly for those who are overweight or have pre-existing joint issues. Running, benefits and drawbacks. On to running. Running is an intense form of cardiovascular exercise that has numerous benefits. Some of these include 1. Faster calorie burn compared to jogging. 2. Greater improvements in cardiovascular fitness. 3. Increased muscle strength and tone. 4. Potential for faster weight loss. 5. The runner's high, a natural mood boost from endorphins. But running isn't without its drawbacks either. It can be quite taxing on the body, especially for beginners or those with pre-existing injuries. Running may also increase the risk of injury due to the higher impact on joints and muscles. Which is better for beginners? If you're new to the world of cardiovascular exercise, you may be wondering which option is better for you, jogging or running. As a beginner, it's generally recommended to start with jogging. This allows you to build a solid aerobic base, gradually increase your fitness level, and minimize the risk of injury. As you become more comfortable and confident in your abilities, you can begin to incorporate running intervals into your routine and gradually transition to running as your primary form of exercise. Which is better for weight loss? When it comes to weight loss, the answer isn't as cut and dry. While running does burn more calories per minute than jogging, the best exercise for weight loss is the one you'll stick to consistently. If you enjoy jogging and find it more sustainable than running, then it's the better choice for you. Remember, consistency is key for long-term weight loss success. Which is better for mental health? Both jogging and running have been shown to improve mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. However, running may provide a slight edge due to the release of endorphins, known as the runner's high. This natural mood boost can make running an effective way to combat stress and improve overall well-being. That said, the best exercise for mental health is the one that you enjoy and can commit to regularly. If jogging brings you joy and helps you clear your mind, then it's the right choice for you. Which is better for joint health? When it comes to joint health, jogging may be the better option, as it generally puts less strain on your joints than running. However, proper form and footwear are crucial for minimizing joint impact, regardless of whether you're jogging or running. If you have pre-existing joint issues or are concerned about joint health, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified personal trainer for guidance on the best exercise plan for your individual needs. Tips for choosing between jogging and running. So, how do you decide whether jogging or running is the better choice for you? Here are some tips to help you make an informed decision. 1. Assess your current fitness level. If you're a beginner or returning to exercise after a long break, it's best to start with jogging and gradually progress to running. 2. Consider your goals. If you're aiming for weight loss or improved mental health, choose the exercise you enjoy and can commit to consistently. If you're training for a race or looking to improve your cardiovascular fitness, running may be the better choice. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. If jogging leaves you feeling energized and pain-free, it might be the better option for you. If you prefer the intensity and challenge of running, just be mindful of potential injury risks and take steps to protect your joints and muscles. To sum it up, both jogging and running have their unique benefits and drawbacks. The best choice ultimately depends on your individual fitness level, goals, and personal preferences. Keep in mind that you can also mix and match both forms of exercise to reap the benefits of each. For example, you might jog on some days and run on others, or incorporate interval training that combines periods of jogging and running within a single workout. As always, consistency and enjoyment are key to long-term success. So choose the exercise that works best for you and gets you excited to lace up your shoes and hit the pavement. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you found this ultimate comparison of jogging versus running helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. And remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and will stick with. Happy jogging or running, and we'll see you in the next video.